this is going to be just like any other program, wherein I can manage the attending this faculty development program while in the office itself. So, but in the very first hour of this program, as I started on 14th morning, I came to my office and I logged in, and I realized that probably this is not the thing which I'm thinking that usual kind of faculty development program is going to be there. So I initially thought that yes, I will be able to attend it and manage my office work, but it was not the case because cameras were supposed to be switched on, and your face has to be visible, so you cannot escape. So beta फंस गए, अब तो क्या करें? So then I decided that people were asking that you can roll back your name. Then looking at participants list, I found few Punjabi name. I decided to contact them. It was not in my book that should I consult Dr. Garg कि गर्ग साहब इसको अटेंड करें कि ना करें, हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा ऑफिस के साथ साथ. So I found few names. Dr. Pinky, Dr. Pinky's name, it sounded like Punjabi name, so I decided to contact her. So I wrote few messages to her, and then one Rohit was there. His name was also sounding little Punjabi. So I thought that let us contact these two people, but fortunately none of them reverted. And I was actually thinking that I should take this opinion of, them, that have you attended any program of Art of Living before, and is it worthful? Should I skip my office work? Things like that I wanted to discuss, but none of them reported. So I took a call in just first 15-20 minutes that yes, I'm going to attend this program. So I started attending. Then first day I managed from the office. Second day I shifted myself to the hostel room because hostels were vacated, all empty because of COVID, and I shifted myself to the hostel room. And then from the hostel room also I decided that this is not going to work. I took 2 days off, and I took leave for 2 days. Wednesday and Thursday I was there and at my place attending this program because from the hostel room itself, I was not able to manage. So anyway, I completely stopped working and attended this program. This program has given good impact on me. All in all, I can say that on Monday, almost at around 10:30, 11, whatever decision I took, that was a good decision, the correct decision. And I never expected that such a topic like leadership or management or human behavior, these things can be taught through an analogy of human body with the help of memory, with the help of breathing. While taking these as analogies, human faculties as analogy, I never thought that probably subject like leadership can be taught. So very first thing which I found interesting was this, that things were very different from the normal curriculum books type. Things were not like that. And then in last 4 days, I fell in love twice. First, Swamiji, with you. And second, Palomi Mukherjee. She's beautiful, and she teaches while all the time she has smile on her face. So, and you, of course, is an incredible person, because especially when you raise certain questions at the end of the session, those questions are actually the crux, and probably if you start thinking them, there is no need that you should consult books or anything. You go into those questions and you can lose yourself. And of course, answers are not important, but those questions are make you think. That last evening you asked the question, when did you decided to visit this planet? Of course, these two questions have made me clear that nothing is going as per my wish. So I shouldn't be complaining, and I should not be objecting anything, because when I have come to this planet, when I leave, both the ends are out of my control. And if both the ends are out of my control, then how can I control the in-between part? So anyways, So cutting the story short, your questions, especially by the day end, which you used to ask, they were of very significant importance. So of course, one single thing which I have learned, coming to the now cutting it short. So one single point which I have learned during last 5 days is that I have started taking my food very slowly. So giving my 100% only to the one activity. I'm not going to claim that I'm going to perform 100% all the activities, but yes, eating part is one which you, through an example, you explained to us that how to take food into your mouth and how to taste it properly, take the juice out of it, how to feel that juice. All those things have given an impact on me. So I am going to take my food very slowly, and I have specially designated a time for my food now. No talking, no television, no working lunch. Nothing is going to happen in my life now. So I'm going to take my food. And of course, other lessons were there. Responsibility, taking responsibility. I've been like that only. So one important thing which Paulomi Mukherjee told me, that shared, in fact, that listening is very important. When you get success at a very early age of, at a very early stage of your life, you tend not to listen to people around. So that part was missing, and by listening you learn, and by learning you grow. That was an important lesson. And then of course, Swamiji, by you, that other people's opinion, they are important, but they should not they should not drive you, actually. So we should not be restricting our actions based on other people's opinion. So that was again a lesson. Then forgiveness, which you taught us, that forgiveness is something which is for us, not for others, basically. If we forgive somebody, then probably it is for us. Others are, it seems like that others are involved, but forgiving someone means you in a way, you are taking pity on you, and you are making yourself free, in a sense. So time management, lastly, by Mukherjee madam, was great. All 5-6 points were amazing. So all in all, I took the right decision, and I'm happy that I have attended this program. My sister, long back, she attended this Art of Living program, and I could have consulted her also before attending this program, but she is in US. So the time I was making that call, should I attend this FDP or not, it was night there. I could not consult her, but I took the call. No offenses to Mr. Rohit and Dr. Pinky. They have not responded to my messages, but in a way it has happened good that I have attended the program. So all in all, I am very happy. Thank you so much. And Varunji, I'm going to be in touch with you because I'm based in Amritsar. And any of the team members ever visit Amritsar, especially Swamiji and Paulomi madam, if you want to visit Amritsar, do contact me. I'll share. I have your numbers with me. I'll drop SMS to you also. So all in all, I took the right decision. Thank you so much. I'm blessed enough that I attended this program. So I would like to be the part and for the next program, though it is going to be difficult because on 27th I'm traveling. So, but on 26th I'll try to explore the opportunity if I can attend that program. So all in all, thank you so much, and the entire team, the way you conducted. I'm blessed that I got in touch with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Gaurav. So nice, so amazing. Good. Okay. Who else would like to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pinky ji, yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. So first thing I would like to tell Gaurav sir, Gaurav Tejpal sir, that I responded him when he wrote hello to me. I responded to him. I don't know whether he received it or not, but yes, I responded to him.
No, sorry. I didn't see that.
So sir, you should have seen that thing. Okay. So what I have learned from this thing, that always give your 100%. Though I try to give my 100% every time, but yes, this from after this program, I would like to give 100% from my heart. Second thing, I have learned that one should not crib in life. Like this life, it is so precious, and we just waste it in cribbing and all. We just cry for trivial things. So what I have learned, that stop cribbing and start living a very cheerful, peaceful kind of life. And like Swamiji, he said that do a single act of kindness every day. Yes, I'll do that from today onwards. Though I just feed stray dogs, but yes, I'll keep on doing the same thing. And because it will obviously make me happy, and it will make others happy also if I do these kinds of these acts of kindness. So
But
I'll keep on.
sorry interrupting Pinky ji, but I think by deciding that we should attend this program, we have already taken a very big and huge step of kindness on ourselves. I mean,
Frankly
that is
speaking,
how
on the way, I was like, when I joined this program, I was under impression that I'm going to listen to some theoretical lectures. Like the experts they will deliver some theoretical lectures, and the topic, it was somewhere important for me, stress management and time management, because it is something which I have to teach in the next semester to my student. So I was under impression that I was going to learn something about theoretical and stress management. So frankly speaking, on the very first day when I came to know that we have to do yoga and all, asana and all, I wanted to drop the course. But just because I do not have giving up attitude, like I don't give up so easily. So I continued with the program, and now I realized that it was something which I did not miss it, and I'm fortunate that I did not miss it. I've learned a lot.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you, Pinky ji.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Okay. Who else?
So, Swamiji, I just wanted to make one thing. I just wanted to share my mobile number also, so that any of the team members who have attended this program, including Varunji and Mukherjee, Madam and Swamiji, but of course you, anytime if you are visiting Amritsar, please, I would request you to get in touch so that I can meet you, and probably while you are at Amritsar, within the campus, we have a guest house. Wherein staying is not a problem. You can stay as far as Amritsar is concerned. So Amritsar is basically, you must be knowing that it's a place of importance, which is historically, it has Golden Temple, international border with Pakistan, Wagah border. So all you need to do is you need to just book your travel tickets, and that's it. Rest your stay and traveling within the city will be taken care of. So my mobile number is 988830011. So thank you so much. That's all. Now other members can share their feedback.
वैसे अमृतसर के इतने सारे ढाबे ड्यू है, बाय द वे गौरव जी, कितने कितने लोग बताए उस ढाबे में भी जाना, उस ढाबे में जाना, अमृतसर कुलचा भी खाना, उधर का खाना खाना है, सब ड्यू है.
Yes.
Okay. Who else like to share? Yeah.
Good afternoon, Swamiji, Dr. Swaminathan.
Yes, Swamiji. Doctor.
First of all, I would like to thank the organizer, NIT Jalandhar, for selecting me to attend this wonderful program. The 5 days FTP total program was excellent, Swamiji. All the 5 days from 14 to today, 18/12/2020, I have learned so much of things, lot of things through Art of Living program. The Art of Living program, through this program, one can get the leadership qualities. That is, through this program, I have learned, whatever I have learned, it will be useful for my family, at my working place, and to the society. So among lot of activities,